Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are two questions in this video. Let's start. The first question is shop A and shop B had the same number of iPods at first. After shop A sold 58 iPods and shop B sold 126 iPods. Shop A had 5 times as many iPods as shop B. How many iPods did shop B have at first? Read the question carefully and understand it what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find how many iPods did shop B have at first. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let x be the initial number of iPods in each shop. Shop A will have x minus 58. Shop B will have x minus 126. Shop A had 5 times as many iPods as shop B. X minus 58 equals to 5 of x minus 126. X minus 58 equals to 5x minus 5 multiplied by 126 equals to 630. Minus 58 plus 630 equals to 5x minus x. 4x equals to 570. X equals to 570 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 143 is 570. So now we came to know initial number of iPods in each shop is 143. Now we are going to verify whether we got correct answer or not. Initially had both shops 143 iPods. Shop A equals to 143 minus 58 equals to 85. Shop B equals to 143 minus 126 equals to 17. Check if shop A has 5 times shop B. 85 equals to 5 multiplied by 17 is 85. So shop B originally had 143 iPads. To make sure you grasp the concept, let's run through the entire solution one last time. Take a look at the full video to see step by step process. The second question is Anjana had 280 rupees more than John. After John had spent 260 rupees, Anjana had 4 times as much as John. How much did John have at first? So we have to find how much John have at first. Let's see how to solve this problem. Anjana had 280 rupees more than John initially. Let John initial amount be x because we don't know John's amount. So Anjana's initial amount is rupees x plus 280. John spent 260 rupees. After John spent, Anjana had 4 times as much as John. X plus 280 equals to 4 multiplied by x minus 260. X plus 280 equals to 4x minus 260 multiplied by 4 is 1040. 280 plus 1040 equals to 4x minus x. 3x equals to 1320. X equals to 1320 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 440 is 1320. X equals to 440. John had 440 rupees at first. If you have any doubts regarding these two problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.